If you guys come over here, right here, you see the question mark? Click on next to the question mark. Cool. Go all the way right next to the question mark. Do you see what it says about AutoCAD 2013? Click on about AutoCAD 2013. Do you see the window here? Do we to go over it? Okay. Click here. Yep. And then go to about AutoCAD 2013. You right at the top, it says product information. Click on product information. Do you guys see where it says borrow license? You should be able to see, hey, you should be able to see borrow license. I have my license. So do me a favor, click on borrow license. Go all the way to as far as you can get in the white. There's a white and gray. So keep going. I don't have mine here, but okay, keep going. Keep going all the way. Yep, keep going. October. Yeah, it should gray it for you. Is it? Go back again. Yeah, I think that's it. So Sunday, the October 5th. Sunday, October 5th is the last day that you can get. Does that make sense? Right? Did you guys get it? Click on that. Was it Sunday, October 5th is what you guys? And borrow license. Did you guys borrow it now? It says you borrowed the license. Now you can use it at home. Cool? Everybody got that one? Now that was October. So you'll have it until October, guys. If you then before what happened is before you lose it, a day or two you go return it and borrow it again. But it takes how many months are these? Where are we now? Is that 6 months or 3 months? Yeah, close to 6 months. So cool. I'll let you download the file. Where did we put the file here? Get you the file. So we can start to work right here. Open here. And let me just sneak here and take over your machine for 1 second. So slow down the process. There you go. Oh. I thought great shot. Very good. I thought I copied. I thought I copied it.
I took it, but then I copied it from the thing back to the.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh man.
I
Copy. I swear I thought I copied it. My God, man. It's there. How come? Huh. Copy. That's interesting. All right. I hate these.
Come charging out like 100 miles an hour behind you. I saw him try to shake the rope or something. Couldn't do it very well anymore in his age, did he? At least he kind of ended on a high note. You know?
Oh, this is so sensitive.
Yeah.
Copy. Paste it. Okay. Open CAD, will you? Go ahead and open CAD. Oh boy. When you guys open CAD, I have a couple of files for you here we're going to be using. CAD is open? Okay. So what I have for you, I have a house, a blueprint for a house. Don't open them. And I also, so we have a blueprint for your house here. We have also a printing format. I'll show you what we use this folder for printing format to print black and white. So you load it in your machine. We do also have the layers that we're going to be using. So I'll show you how to load layers in the system. So you're going to use layers. Symbols. We have schedules. So I'll show you how to fill a schedule. If they ask you to fill a schedule, how to fill an electrical schedule. And then we have a tile block. How to import and export and edit the tile block. Cool. So these are the software, the stuff that we're going to be doing. So let's go minimize this and go directly into my CAD. You guys have CAD open. Um, Let me see if okay. So we're gonna go utilities right in here. All right. So the first thing I would like you guys to do is do you guys remember how we created layers last time and we designed them and what's not? If your company has its own layers that they want you to do, the easiest way of bringing the layers into your machine is to do the following. Um, Go minimize the file that you open, go back to your folder that you are opening. I'm gonna go delete this one. There you go. And I would like you guys quick to go to the file that says electrical layer and double click on it. So open that folder. So you should be able to see this, right? Can you guys see that? CAD, unlike Revit, CAD, guys, is like Microsoft Word and Excel. You can open the file directly. Unlike Revit, for Revit, when you guys move to Revit, you're going to see that you have to open the central file in order to get the things one time. And everything is in one file. That's in Revit. In CAD, you can open as many files as you want. I showed you last time that you can see, here's the files that you guys opened. Do you see that one? You should, when you minimize them, you should have two files. You can open as many files here as you want. So that's kind of how to maneuver it. You can expand them here. I'm done with this. I'm going to go expand. So you should have two files over right now. One clean copy for you to work, and the other one is the file that we just opened, right? Does that make sense? If I open 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more files here, they will line up right in that location. Okay, the first thing we need to do, gentlemen, is we're going to go copy these. Okay, so from upper left corner to the lower right corner, box them in, right? Right click, hover over them and right click, and do you see where it says copy selection? Or you can go to clipboard. Do you see clipboard? And go to copy. So what I did is I just copied this. Cool? Everybody get that? From upper left corner to lower right corner, box them in, copy them. You can copy the nice thing about CAD, because you can copy anything from any file to any file. You'll be working with multiple files. So if they get you to work on one sheet and you want to do the same thing on the second sheet, you just open both of them, go copy it, dump it into the second sheet, expedite the process. All right, so I'm going to go minimize this since I'm copied it right here, minimize this. I'm going to go to the file that I need to copy to, right? See how I minimize one, you minimize right in here. Everybody there, right click and clipboard and paste. Can you guys see I'm holding the stuff in the new file? Click any way you want. Dump them. Cool? Now what I did, I copied all the layers that has been designed for, which is not rocket science. These layers have been designed for you by your company. They want you to use them. And you open a file that you're working on, but you don't have the layers. The easiest way to bring these layers is you go copy them and paste them. Now look what happened. If you click right here, can you guys see that all the layers that you just copied are in there? That's the beauty of copy paste. So you just loaded, gentlemen, all the layers. You see how easy that is? So if you can't find the layers that they want you to do, ask them about the file where your layers are located. Go grab them like I did, copy them, paste them, it populates itself. Now can you guys see that? You see them all here, right? They start with E, E-com, E-emergency, E-exit, E-fire, E-lighting. Here's the ones that we're going to be using. And you can add, remember, you can add or edit, right? Okay, so since we're done now, we just copied them. I'm going to go again, box them in, and hit the beautiful word delete, because they have just achieved their function. All what I need them to do is just to organize, to pick them up and put them in here. And I don't care about the text that they came through. So they're right in here. Cool? So that's the first thing, that you have just loaded your layers. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. We loaded these layers. Um, okay, we have tool palettes. Okay, so we're going to go into the tool palettes in a second, but before we do that, insert and okay. So do me a favor, go and again, I'm going out of memory, guys. We've been doing Revit for a while, so I use CAD once in the fall, and then I switched to Revit. So if it takes me a few seconds to recoup, you're learning CAD from the mouth of a registered power electrical engineer. I'm not a CAD guy. I'm an engineer, but I give you enough to get you up and running if you were to become drafters, and you will not be drafters. You'll be designers though. Go insert. When you go to the insert, guys, you're going to go to, do you see the icon right here that says Design Center? Everybody can see the Design Center under insert, should be somewhere in this area. Right here, Design Center. Everybody can see it? Found it? You don't have, it should be somewhere here. Insert, yeah, insert. You got it? Click on Design Center. Okay, now, what you're going to do with the Design Center, gentlemen, it opens this window for you. Can you guys see that? Now, here's the beauty. When you, the Design Center will allow you to load all the symbols that you're going to be using in CAD into your drawing. Why it's so important? You guys don't have any. Do you have anything like this? You don't. So don't worry about it. So what we do here, what this will allow you is to load all the symbols that have been given to you by your company into the drawing that you're going to be using it in. Okay? So let's go ahead. For you guys, go open, see that little icon here? Click on load. It will open a window for you, right? And go into your desktop. Click onto desktop. Okay? Did you guys click on the desktop? Okay, now remember that CAD file that I gave you? Click on CAD file. Well, if it doesn't open because it's open, I hit that. Let me go close it. Were you guys able to open it? It's already, yeah, close it. If it was open before, close it. It's the suitcases. I hit the suitcase because you can't open them twice. If you can't open it because it was open, did you close it, guys? Okay, so when you go there, double click on it. Now it should be able to open. Hello? It's not opening? You don't have it? Did yours open? Yeah. Anybody was open the suitcase? You did?
I just moved off the desktop and went back to the desktop.
Moved off the desktop. Yeah, because it was activated. Yep, you're right. You have to activate it. So back to the desktop. Thank you. There you go. It just need to activate it. So click somewhere else and move up. Were you guys able to open it? After you close it? Cool? Okay. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go load the symbols that have been designed for you. In order to load these symbols, you need to go find where these symbols are located. I have all these CAD files. Well, you don't have to guess. It says symbols there. So I'm going to go to the one that has the symbols already loaded for you. So your company should have this, right? If it doesn't, guess what? You grab that what I gave you and you use it, right? If you go in a company that don't have symbols, grab these with you. You're doing the same thing. Okay, gentlemen, go click on this. The one that says electrical symbols and open it. Okay, now it's loading. Cool. It should load it. Now let's go find it. I'm gonna go right in here. It should. Can you guys see right here? Electrical symbols and blocks. Click on blocks. Were you guys able to find it this way? Blocks. Cool. Now I just want you, before I load it, I want you guys to look at all the symbols that you have. Can you guys see that? These are all the symbols available for you. Okay, you need a symbol that's not there. What do? You typically create it or go borrow it from somewhere else or what's not. This is good enough for you guys to do the work that you need. Everybody can see that? Cool. Okay, now before you go click on block, right click, And do you see where it says create tool palette? This, when you click on create tool palette, it will set them up right here for you guys. So you can click on them at any time and use them. That's how you load symbols into your drawing. If you have another set of another set of symbols come from a different company, same thing, you go to load the design center and load it, and then go click on create tool palette. It's cooking it. Can you guys see it's working on it? Working on it. So it's loading them into your drawing, right? Takes a few seconds. And then it opens the sheet for you here on the side. I'm going to move this one to the side here. Can you guys see it? It opens them right here for you. So now, every time you need a fixture, the fixture is right there for you. Does that make sense? That's how you load your tool palettes. Now we loaded tool palettes. And you do this once. You do it once on your machine. Now, if you have a new machine, your machine screwed up, you got a new machine, you have to do the same thing. You do it once on the machine. Now remember, in the fall, if you give back your machine and come back to me, you have to redo this one time. Then you can use them every time as long as you have that machine. Okay, now we're done with this. Go close this. We don't care. We loaded them. Can you guys see the tool palettes sitting right here? So, which means, say I want to go now, here's my tool palette. I'm going to go 2x4 fluorescent, drag and drop. And gentlemen, I have a fixture, my fixture right here. Can you guys see that? I dragged and dropped a lighting fixture. Dragged and dropped a lighting fixture. Now, it doesn't mean much for you yet. We don't have any drawings or anything, right? Can you guys see that? Let's go grab a receptacle. Go down all the way down to, here's a duplicate receptacle. Click and drag, and here's my duplicate receptacle. Right next to it, another duplicate receptacle, a different scale. Drag and drag it. Exit sign. Drag and drop any of these symbols, guys. Okay. So, does that make sense? Your tool palette is ready for you to be used. Your tool palette is ready to be used. Okay, now, what happened if I lose my tool palette? Exit. Where did it go? All right, what happened? You lost your tool palette. You're gonna go, I believe it's under view. If you guys, can you see where it says view here? And do you see the word tool palette? Here you go, on, off, on, off, on, off. You don't need to worry about the tools. If you don't care about the tools, you can turn them off. It's all under view, gentlemen. Oops, not property, chair. They don't want property. They're all under view. Can you guys see that? You can turn them on and off under view. This is probably the most important things to know where your symbols are located, under view. So you guys don't have this. I have ECDM symbols loaded twice because they were loaded in my machine before. So if you are to load another set of symbols, it will put them right underneath in a tab. Can you guys see that? There's so many tabs here. No, so many. You guys have most of these, right? Here's electrical symbols for control. Can you guys see that? So if you want to embrace case and you want a limit switch or a push button, you drag a push button and you can put some of your push buttons. These are, here's a push button, you know. These symbols, when they say electrical, these are control symbols. We use them, but when you guys come to us, we design power and lighting system. We don't do control system for the most part. But they are, if you want to draw something, I know the PLC software that you guys have has all these symbols in it, but you can have electrical symbols right here that you can design control. So don't get confused when you see electrical here. These electrical means really control, not power. Okay, so exit out of this. So, and go back to your symbol list here and exit out of it. Okay, so you have a bunch of symbols that you dropped here, right? Any comments, guys, about loading the symbols? Turning the symbols through the tool palette on and off. If I need more symbols, no problem, go find them. I'll show you how to add to them later on and what's not. For the time being, let's know how to use them first. All right, so I'm going to go box this junk and delete. So, and go Z enter E enter, Z, hit Z enter, E enter, that will zoom all. That's probably one of the most important functions you're going to learn. Z enter, E enter, Z enter, E enter. So you can see the big picture. There's nothing N to see anyway. Okay, gentlemen, we did two things. We loaded the symbols for you. We showed you how to turn them on and off and use them, right? Let's switch it to the third thing that we're going to do today. Any questions about the first two, guys? Loading the layers for you. Copy paste. And the symbols, go to the design center, find the file that has all your blocks. They're blocks. They're called blocks. Find them, load them. They come under a tool palette. When they come under that little tool palette right here, under my tool palette. Okay? All right. Let's go check the units here. Everybody did these activities? Did you guys? Are you good? Did you do the activities? We're good. Good. Okay. Let's go type units and see if we can. Units. Type the word units anywhere. Units. Oops. Units and enter. When you type the units, make sure you click this one into architectural. We did that last time, guys. Always when you open a new file, huh? Every time you open a new drawing. We started a new drawing. If we open the one that we did last time, did you open that one that we did last time? You don't have to do it. But when you open a new drawing, you have to set that one. Okay, so everybody did that? Change it to architectural. So we change it to architectural so it shows feet. The distances and what's not. Before I go ahead, guys, click on tool palette and go all the way up to the 2x4. You see that 1x4 fixture, fluorescent surface mounted. Click on that baby and drop that. Okay, I go through tool palette. Okay, so we home, we got that one. Okay. So we did that one. Did you guys do that? Trying to see. Okay, here you go. Everybody dropped one of these. And by the way, if it bothers you that you can move these to any side, right? You can move it anywhere you want, that box. Let's put it right here, stick it to the side. You can put him and stick that to the side. Okay, so go view, and right next to utilities, can you see where it says measure, gentlemen? Let's go measure it, right? Home, I'm sorry, under home and utilities, and there's a measurement tool. Let's go measure. Is your snap on? Your snap should be on from last time. We set the snap. Can you guys see how I'm snapping into the end of this? And let's measure this. Put your ortho on like we did last time. Here's my ortho. Click to my ortho at the bottom. And can you guys see what it's verify that this fixture is 4 feet? Did you guys see that? One more time. Go to home, utility. Do you see where the utility is at the top here? Right at the top, under home. And measure. You see that scale? Measure. Click on it. Then your snap should be on. Go to one end of that little one corner. Can you guys see? Zoom into one corner. You're snapping to the corner, right? Click. Now, if you're not ortho, after you click, go down here. Can you guys see that little here? You can turn yourself. I'm not ortho here. Can you guys see I'm going in every direction? I can go click on ortho. Now I ortho myself, put myself vertical. Cool? Now ortho yourself and go verify, gentlemen, that this fixture is actually 4 feet. So click all the way to the end. And if you zoom out, oops, I thought we did. Am I in ortho? Now I'm going to put myself in ortho. There you go. And I am at 4 feet. Click. This is you see that distance is 4 feet. I verified it's a 4 foot. So my scale is good. It's working. Everything is good. Right? So I like to verify this one. I am my scale. That's how you measure things. So this fixture is supposed to be 1x4. It is 1x4. Let's verify the it's 1, guys. I will verify the 4. How about let's measure the 1, shall we? So let's go there, click on that one, click on this, go to verify. Is it a 1? It's 1. Can you guys see that? So it's a 1x4. So my scale is cool, up and running, perfect. So I have a 1x4 fixture. That's how you measure things, if needed, when needed. Measuring. Cool. Okay, so we now I'm gonna go here and get rid of my tool palette. Click on that little icon, and also that fixture. I'm gonna box it. Oops, I'm gonna go. By the way, if you get stuck with something, go escape. Hit escape. Escape. The button escape is gonna be your friend. After everything, you hit escape, escape, escape to get you out of that function that you were in. Go delete. Make sure you have a clean copy for us. Okay, gentlemen. So what we did, we loaded the layers. We loaded the blocks. We loaded the blocks. We know how to turn the blocks on and off, right? We know how to measure things to verify the scale. Let's get into the good stuff. We're gonna go do XREF. We're gonna XREF. So we're gonna XREF 2 things. The first thing we're gonna go XREF a house. We're gonna XREF a house. I already gave you guys a house. It's already one of these files. We're gonna go XREF that house. XREF means you take, have you heard the term XREF? You did CAD. If you haven't heard what XREF means, guys, take a copy of the house and dump it right into my drawing. That's what an XREF is. Take a copy of it. The reason why they use XREFs is because the architects will be working on the house, changing the walls. We, the engineers, we are working on a copy of what the architects are doing. So when they change the wall, and when we open our drawings, every time they move the wall and we reload our drawings, we see that the wall has been moved. That's the power of the XREF. The architects will have control over the building. We have a copy of their building, right, to do our electrical system on it. Every time they change, you put a wall, and we reload because we XREF from them. We take a copy from them. We say, give me a new copy. Reload means give me a new copy. They load the new copy. All your electrical continue to be the same location, except if they decided to put a wall right here, and you have a receptacle here where they decided to put a wall, your receptacle will sit in the middle of if they decided to put a door here, and your receptacle was here, your receptacle will sit up in the air, standing by itself, right? So you know that they have a wall. There you go, move it. You see that why the XREF is so powerful? Revit calls it link. Same concept, but we're going to call it linking. All right, so let's go XREF. XREF. So we're going to do XREF 2 things, gentlemen. We're going to first XREF the background, the architectural background. We do this one in so-called the model space. And then we're going to XREF the second thing is the tile block. The tile block, gentlemen, is what you're looking at right here. That frame here, we put a frame so we can print it in a nice format, right? The tile block, we XREF tile block always in the paper space. Model space, the blueprint, the architectural blueprint, model space, the tile block is always XREF in the paper space. You guys remember the difference, paper space, model space? Here's my paper space. This is all I print. Most of the time, I don't do much there other than printing, though some people work there. Model space is where I do most of my work. Okay, let's go XREF. Ready to XREF? Everybody's good? All right. So let's go. XREF is insert. Insert. And I'm going to go insert. Insert what? I'm going to say insert. And XREF referencing here. Edit XREF. Let's go insert. Attach. Okay, so where am I here, Chad? File. Okay, we're gonna go under insert. Okay, insert an X reference. All right, so let me see. We got, okay, not this one. We're gonna go insert. Sorry, I have to remember here. Okay, just so attach. Were you guys able to for you? Okay, Attach box. I don't see where. Did they open a box for you? Okay, I don't know why mine is not opening here. So, okay, so let's go.
So if you open that CAD folder you gave us, it's empty.
When you open it's empty?
You know,
What do you mean the CAD file?
the one that we copied from the.
Yeah.
It's empty.
You try to go and get a tab, you can go to the tab folder.
Okay.
In the folder.
Okay. Why do I have, why it's clip insert, edit X reference. So usually it's working, right? Attach a X reference. Okay, let me see what you're saying.
To attach it here. Once it began,
Yeah.
it's listed.
Zero there.
I mean, I could, you know,
Yeah.
so I don't know.
The same thing. Here's, do me a favor. Go to that CAD file and get rid of, take all the files out of that CAD folder and put them in your desktop. Okay? You guys know how to, let's go do that. It seems that suitcase is creating a lot of troubles for us. So,
Chad, where it says files, or type, just write a drawing and then it'll pop up. Instead of copying everything out of that folder.
is that?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do good. Thank you. So I still don't understand why mine is not loading while you guys are.
No, it'll file.
Attach folder. Insert. Okay. No, I don't want to block. Why am I stuck with that one? So it did work for you. Insert the next ref file. Okay. I hate that one. Okay, so let me just go file. Give me a second here. Can you guys save file save as? Let's go file save new save as a drawing. And oops. Why am I having an issue with my file? Yeah. Kind format. Yes, okay, so file, save, use can. Okay. Save as TW file. And you guys don't have any problem saving, right? I think it's just my laptop is goofy. Were you able to save it? Yeah, you got the house and all the stuff. Give me 1 second, guys. I apologize. No. Give me a second. Let me close out of it, guys, and see. Okay. Okay. I don't know on my computer. Were you guys able to load, right? Were you able to load in so? Huh, interesting. something with my laptop sitting. Save the drawings. Okay, yeah, save it, buddy. Okay. You know what, guys? I want to do one little thing, if you don't mind. I'm gonna go remove these. I hate this one. Copy. I want to remove them. Put them in here as folder. Idea why. Might have to grab one of your laptops. Work on it. I don't know. Ah, good idea. No, we were just looking at that. I think I'm something in my product update available. AutoCAD. Install now. Let me see. Let me see what that does to me. Okay. I think my computer is being hijacked. Yeah, I might have to take my laptop guys down. Sorry. But because this is what I'm telling you, it should be able to open it. I don't see where the path is. See, enter. File cannot be found. Why do I have to specify the left? Okay. See. Wow. Interesting. I can't save it. Has to specify saving as this and then okay, yes. Do you want to replace it? Yes.
Ted, when you bring your Dropbox on
Yeah.
today, isn't it already in there?
When I drop,
No, so we're out to your dates, you know, you go to the file save,
yeah.
so it's already in there, your house, right there on the right.
Yeah, this one?
You want the house in there, right?
No.
The house in there.
Yeah, yeah. I don't want to open it. It's there. I want to extract it. Yeah, I can open it, but I want to extract it. But you guys are working. Yours is working right. You were able to load it, right? You should be. Yeah, yours. It's my machine. It's not anything else. Okay, let me see. Let me do it individually. So we put my machine. Okay, go. You insert it, right? Get rid of the grid. Remove your grid. Yeah, right here. Yeah, right next to it. Yeah. Okay, Z is re-enter. Z enter, E-enter. Zoom all. Z enter. E-enter. Okay. So let me see if I. So should be. You should. It's. There you go. It's a block. See how it came as inserted. Z enter. E-enter. Yep. There you go. You're good. Same thing for you. Z enter, E enter, right? It's Z enter, E enter. I would say Z enter, E enter, okay. And block, coming as a block. It should be. Yeah. Okay, the color is different. Yeah, I see. Okay, so Z enter, E enter. What is Z enter, E enter. Okay. So you're good. You're good. So you have your stuff. Yeah. You have, as long as it comes as a block like this. Okay. You have the same thing. You have your zoom, right? And your zoom button. You don't have zoom button, right? So you do have. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. You did the same thing, right? You're right where you should be. You guys are there too. There you go. Awesome. It's block. Okay, so what I'd like you guys to do is drag this one here and get rid of that grid. Same thing, get rid of the grid and drag the one the grid and drag that one here. And
This?
yep, yeah, drag it down. Perfect. Click on it and it's one block, right? Click on that building anywhere, any wall or something. Just like, there you go, perfect. So gentlemen, it's working perfect for you. It's much my machine is same thing with it. Work with you. It looks like. Okay, so where are we here? Then we're gonna need the house. Where's the house? Here's my house, and here's my open. And yep, you need to as is. And here's your building. And unclick here, and Z enter. Hit Z enter. E enter. E enter. There you go. Perfect. In there. Yeah. So you guys, you're right the money. So you guys are working. My machine is not working. So what we did, guys, we imported the background. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to drop a symbol. And I hate why my machine is not working. So you guys are going to work with me. Assume mine is here. I'm going to go and I think I need to take my machine downstairs. But let's go to view. You guys have all of them have. Go to tool palette and view tool palette. And do me a favor, right? Now you have rooms. Let's go to grab a room. We're going to go drop receptacles in a room. So let's go to the master bedroom. Can you guys see the master bedroom? And let's go drag and in the master bedroom, let's go drop a couple of receptacles. And let me show you how we're going to do that. I want to draw a room here because just to get me where you are, something similar to what you have. Here you go. Say this is my room. I hope it's to scale. I'm going to go grab a receptacle. Here's my receptacle. Let's go look for receptacles. I have 2 4 receptacle here. Go all the way down. So you're going to be checking all the way. So I have duplicate receptacle. Let's grab that one. Click on it. And continue as is. Continue as is. Okay. So and can you guys see that you're holding it from the can you guys see what you're holding it from the bottom here, right? So you're holding it from the bottom, and you can. I'm going to go. And can you guys see when you get closer, it snaps it to the closest, right? Just go to any wall, and when you see that symbol here, click. Now you have just put a receptacle, and you snap that receptacle to the wall. Cool? Why don't you guys go, now let's go grab another receptacle. And I'm going to go zoom out a little bit. I need to snap it to the second wall. So drop it somewhere, right? Because I want to snap it to a wall. I'm going to snap it this way. Okay? So I need to rotate it. So drop it somewhere. And let's go to, where's my rotate? Can you guys see that button, rotate? Everybody can see that rotate right here? Click on rotate. Pick it up. Right click and drag the corner here. Now you're rotating it. You remember, you're going to rotate by what? 90 degree. So make sure you put your ortho on, and now you can now you're rotating your receptacle any shape you want. I'm going to put it this way. Oops, I should have not talked fast enough. I'm going to go right click on it, drag, put my ortho on, and I'm going to go rotate. Rotate it 90 degree. Okay, you guys did it rotate for you? Then I'm going to go move, click on move, click on it. Now you need to snap from here, right click, and you see snap to the end. Get your ortho off, and I'm going to go and put it right in here. Right in here. So I can orient my receptacles in a wall, on the side, the top, or what's not. So you guys have dropped a couple of receptacles, right? And feel free to move them around and what's not. And so here's how you drop a receptacle in a room. I wish mine works. I know it's my issue. Okay, we'll get it fixed, guys, by next time. Let's go drop a light, shall we? Grab a light. So let's go Z enter E enter, zoom into all my stuff. I'm gonna go grab a light, go all the way to the top and grab the 1x4 fixture, and drop your 1x4 in the middle of a room. Drop it as close as you can in the middle of a room. So here's you dropped your fixture. I'll show you how to drop it to scale and what's not. You drop your fixture. Now you drop the receptacle, you dropped your light. That's what expected from you guys when you go in a place. We did the XREF and we start dropping things. Okay, there's one little problem though, gentlemen. Anybody remember what the problem is? Were you able to drop a light and receptacle anywhere? They're not in the right layer. Okay, remember that layer business? So go click on the two receptacles, pick the two receptacles or how many receptacles you did. Pick all the receptacles that you drop. Cool? And then go under layer. Can you guys see? Oops, I don't have my layers here. And you guys should. Click under the layer here and you should go to one of them that says power. Let me see what layers they have. Click on the layer. What's your option? Now remember, you're going to go all the way to go all the way down, E power. We have E power devices. Okay, first pick them up, and then second go to E power devices. Okay, pick him up and go to the layer that says E power devices. I don't have mine, but okay. And then hit escape. Now they should take the color of that layer. Did you guys do it? Did it work for you? No? Okay.
I'm still working with my device.
Yep, E-power devices, yep. After you pick them up. That's it, now skip. Skip. No, you have to pick them up, click on it. And go, now go change it. Yeah, click here, yep, where you are. And go pick that one. Go all the way down to E-power devices. E-power devices. There you go. That's it, skip. You're in. Alright, so what's first skip. There you go, skip. Double skip. Yep. You want to move that device. Okay, click on it. Which one do you want to move?
This one.
Yeah, okay. Cool. Now let's rotate. Do you want to put it this way?
Yeah,
Okay, let's rotate. Go to rotate. Yeah. Click on that little corner. Yeah, click on it. Right click. Right click. And then pick that corner. Yep. Yeah, you pick it up. Left click. Yeah, there you go. Now we hold it. But you also go. Click on also. There's an also here. So it always moves right next to it. Right here.
This one?
Yep. There you go. Now you're moving with the right hand. Now click. There you go. And then you move it. Now you're going to go move it. Move. Pick it up. Right click. Right click. And pick the core, the leg. Yeah. Pick the leg. Yeah. Not a big deal. Skip. You must have let that skip. Go back. Here's that one. Pick you back. There you go. Let's repeat the same function. Move. Yep. Click on it.
Right or left?
Left. Right click. And pick the corner. There you go. Now you're going to be it. Click. There you go. Now you want to stick it. Yeah, right here. And click. Left click. There you go. So
What else were we supposed to do now?
now we're going to change them into different layers. So yeah, pick them up. Pick left click. Pick this one and this one. No, not the light. Just this one. Yeah. And pick that one. Perfect. Now go to the layers.
This one?
Yeah, the one underneath it. Yeah. No, the one underneath it here. There you go. Now go all the way where it says E power. All the way. Where's your E's? Did you? Yeah, it should be. Why are they not here? Did you copy the stuff that we did? Let me see what you do. Alright, so let me go to line manager here to see what the heck is going on here. Layers. Okay. Line managers. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, let's go get them. That's a good exercise to go get them. So, because they're not there, let's go back to, where's them? Where did we put them in the folder? Look on the folder, symbols, electrical symbols. Continue, continue, and, oh, I'm sorry, not the symbols. We'll go, what was that one? Which can we go to the layers? I know you guys want to move, give me 1 second here, I'll let you know whose copy D is. Copy it, minimize, go to here, like that, paste, right in here, yeah, right in here, right? And then all what you need to do after you paste them is just delete them, and then they should populate right here, and that's where we left. Somehow they did not catch up. Here you go. So let me just do these. So you're gonna go pick the first one, pick the second one, and then go to E-Power, and E-Power devices, and out and hit escape. And can you see how they change color? It's hard to see it. Okay, so that's what I want to do, guys. I wish I could have. So to summarize, we'll continue next time and make sure my laptop works properly. So we extract. When you extract, have you guys noticed that with the extract came chunk of other layers, right? So don't get them confused with the layers I'm going to be doing. With the extract comes chunk of other layers. So we extract, we drop a fixture, we drop a light. So next time when my computer works, guys, I'll will manipulate a little bit of layers, and we'll do a couple of circuiting and home runs, and we put tile block and we print, and that's all what you need to run with CAD. And then we'll flip into Revit. Cool. So we'll spend one more day on CAD. If you want to putz around, now you can work at home. Go just start throwing receptacles and lights. And how do you throw receptacle and what's criteria? That's a design. No, in dwellings, I'm going to get you the rule number 1. 6 feet from every opening, 12 in between. So you come from this opening here, you measure 6 feet, you put your first receptacle. That's a rule, code-wise. And from here, 12 feet, 12 feet, 12 feet, 12 feet, 12 feet, all the way up until you reach, say this was another door. This is a door. Until you reach here, you shall not be more than 6 feet away from this door again. These are the rules for dwelling, but you guys don't know it, and you probably don't expect you to know it yet. But why don't you, if you have time, go lay out receptacles in any way, shape, or form. Rule of thumb, guys, receptacle in the center of every wall. Why don't you do that? If you have time, go through a receptacle in the center of every wall. That's easy to do. Every wall, center, put receptacle. And if you have a chance, drop a fixture, a lighting fixture, choose any lighting fixture and put it right in the center of every room. And then if you couldn't finish it, no problem. And then we'll do circuiting and we'll drop the switches and we print next time. Cool? Thank you, guys. Sorry for the laptop. Yeah.